Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Aqara app for temperature and humidity alerts. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone and locate the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for the Aqara app using the search bar. Download and install the Aqara app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you are a new user, tap on Create Account. Fill in the necessary information, such as your email address and password. Follow the prompts to verify your email address if required. After verifying your email, log into the app. On the main screen, tap on Add Device. Select the type of device you are setting up for temperature and humidity alerts. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device in pairing mode. Once your device is in pairing mode, the app should detect it automatically. Tap on your device once it appears on the screen to connect. Wait for the app to establish a connection with your device. Once connected, you can customize the settings for temperature and humidity alerts. Navigate to the Alert Settings section within the app. Set your preferred temperature and humidity thresholds for alerts. Choose how you would like to receive these alerts, such as push notifications. Save your settings to activate the alerts. Your device is now set up to monitor temperature and humidity. You will receive notifications whenever the conditions exceed your defined thresholds. Check the app periodically to monitor your temperature and humidity readings. Adjust the alert settings as needed to better fit your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.